So hello, my name is Joshua Giogdol. So this is my UI of the app. I mean the activity of this day. So this is the code. So here like the import React use state and then the React import app CS. I import the app CSS because of the design. It can add your design or call the design para mugana siya. So here, the import React in the use state and then to hook in, it can hook into the React library. So first, the function app. So function app, the function app, ang the second transaction and the set transaction is equal to use state. So it will like hook into like every ID, like example, 1, 2, 3, 4, every ID. uh, it can display your salary, bills, and rent, and any what do you call this? Any category expense that you put, it can display. So the cons, then text, then you can hook the text of this yeah, text of the your description, such as like that, and the amount of your transactions. So the calculate balance. So here this is the first, the return, and then return transaction to reduce. So to reduce, we call this to reduce. Um, it use the to accumulate or the total value. So by iterating the transaction array. So the set the second is the ACK or the ACC there. The it this function it I mean this ACC is it means the accumulator. So the accumulate, excuse me, to accumulate the starts to the zero by adding each transaction na. If you add like starts at zero such like this, and if you add this the salary, or if you add the amount or your balance, so you can add the balance now. So the income is a return transactions and filter calculate income. So calculate income is purpose is this function calculates the total income by summing up or only the positive functions or transactions, like such as like that. If you want to add the sample salary, I add the salary. Then if you want to add like just like put like positive, or just not like put na don't put the negative. So just like this, so the positive, so it can put your income. So it will display your income, so that yeah, and then you can add your balance. So the expense, yeah, that's all. So the expense is the you can what do we call this, it can uh the function of this expense, calculate the expense, it calculates the total expenses by summing up the negative transactions, such as like kanang bayad kag bills, add kog bills, I have negative 5k. Oh, it can add your expense though. So um this is the total expense of your the bills of or like that. So it will minus of your balance, because it will multiply the negative one. So it will be minus or your balance. And then that's the calculate expense, return the filter, and then you can filter this transaction where the amount is less than zero. So then the result, so it will be multiplied by negative one. So to make expense valuable step to display the purposes. So the add transactions is you can add the transact, like such as like this. If you had the pay bills for electricity, so like such as like this, you can add the pay 2k, and it will be add your expense, and it will be your balance, it will be minus, or it will be minus your balance. So makuha yung balance low. So pag you can add the e dot prevent default, so it's called to prevent the form's default behavior. So if you if if you submit, then it can reload the page, and here ma-add din siya. And the set transaction, the new transactions here, the ID, the text, the amount. So it's a set transaction, transactions, new transaction, and then set text. And the new transaction is, it will be update your transactions uh, the by existing the array. So the delete const delete transactions, it will be delete your transaction list, like it use like it filter na to method the new array. So can uh, can delete by ID like this. If I delete this, delete, and then the clear all transactions, it will be purpose the um, to clear all the transaction history. So to clear this, the history was gone, and the transaction was gone, and your balance was back to the zero. So yeah, here delete clear, and then here this balance here, your balance, and I call the balance para mo display siya. So and here the income also, it will be, I call the calculate income, that the income will display, and the expense and the expense will display. So here the history, if you add a history, so that this is the history. So so here the history, and if I hover this, so it will like or siya mo pa kamay lang. So yeah, so this is the history, the transaction map, and yeah. So the transaction here, the transaction delete, na siya sa kilid here. And if you the transaction clear, here, I call the transaction delete para ma-delete po din yung transaction list, or will be delete by ID, using ID. They here X and X. So here the button, and another button to clear all the history of transactions. So I call the on click, and then call the clear all transactions, that all transaction will be gone. Like, so to add new transaction here, the on submit. Here I use the on submit and add the bills and negative 5k, and I add this transaction, and it will be display the expense, and then your balance will be minusan, makuhaan. So that's all, I guess, for today's video. So I yeah, that's all. Thank you, ma'am.